Here is a Nissan Qashqai. Let's go ahead and open up the hatch. Now, in order to access the bulbs, we need to get this black trim piece out. For that, we need to get these two clips out, and there's a screw in there to get the handle out. And just be careful, when you take this trim out, there are clips in there, and the clips may break, so I just want you to know it up front. Get a flathead screwdriver and get the middle part of this clip out a little bit. Then just grab it and get the entire clip out. Repeat the process for the other one. Now let's get a Phillips head screwdriver, and let's get that one screw out. The handle should just come right out. Now we'll start from this edge. Get the flathead screwdriver. There's a bit of a gap right over there, so use that gap and use a screwdriver to get in right over there, and then pry the clips out. Be patient with this. It's going to take a few seconds. It may seem like it's going to break, but it won't. Just stay at it. Repeat the process from the other side. Get these clips loose from here as well. And now you can just grab onto the entire trim and just pull it down, and it'll come out. There you go. Now if there's any clips that fell off, this is how they go back in. One of my clips just stayed in, stuck in there, and it is just what it is. Now that's the reverse light bulb right there. Just grab the bulb holder and twist it left, and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb size is 921, sees it right there on it. Check the link in the description to buy it from Amazon. Get the new bulb and align with the pins there, and then push it down to secure it. Let's put the bulb holder back in the light, and you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. Now just twist your right to lock it, and you're done. Now let's put this trim piece back in place. So get it in position. The important thing is to just get the whole thing in position properly, and then we'll lightly start tapping it. So just tap it from one side. Okay, couple of clips are in. Now you can go around the rest of the trim and tap it, tap it, tap it. That's going to get all the clips back in place. There you go. Be patient with this. It's going to take a few seconds, but that is now looking good. Now let's get the clip. Make sure the middle part of the clip is pulled out. Get it in that hole there. Push the middle part in to secure it. Repeat the process for the other clip. Let's get the handle. Let's get the screw with the screwdriver. Let's get it in there, and then just twist your right to tighten it. We put those clips in, we put that handle screw in, we tap this trim piece in, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.